Brianna, and I'm going to be showing you all how to make some really juicy chicken wings in the oven. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now that the spices are combined, take a napkin and dry all of the chicken wings. You can split the chicken pieces apart, but I leave them whole. Once you're finished drying the wings, rub the spices all over them. Place a roasting pan on the middle rack with another rack directly above it. Place the chicken wings directly on the rack above the roasting pan, just like a grill. This allows all sides to become crispy. Bake the wings for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping them halfway. Chicken is done when juices run clear. This chicken is so good, so juicy, and it only took 40 minutes to make, from start to finish.
I like that.
Tastes okay?
Better than okay.